I will show you how to get the best deal for your rundown house with zero stress. Let's dive in. When Mark first reached out to us, he was nervous. The house he had inherited from his uncle hadn't been updated in decades. The roof leaked, the plumbing needed repairs, and the walls were covered in peeling wallpaper. Mark thought no one would want to buy the place. "I'm embarrassed to even show anyone the house," he told us. We quickly reassured him. "Mark, we specialize in buying properties just like this. You don't need to fix a thing. We'll take it as is." Mark was surprised. No inspections, no repair lists, no contractors. Just a straightforward offer that factored in the property's current condition. In less than 2 weeks, the sale was complete and Mark walked away with cash in hand, leaving the repairs and renovations to us. "I couldn't believe how easy it was," Mark shared. "You didn't care about the condition, and that made all the difference." At Bay Area real estate buyers, we know that not every property is picture perfect, and that's okay. Whether it's outdated, damaged, or in need of a complete overhaul, we'll still make you a fair cash offer. Let us handle the repairs, so you don't have to. Call us today at 510-224-4334 and see how simple selling your property can be, no matter its condition.